Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Automate with Girish. In this video, we're going to see how we can run macro in Automation Anywhere. So first we'll see the requirement. So sometimes when we automate the process, we get the output in Excel format, but the requirement is we have to send this output file that is in Excel format. We have to send this file in PDF format. So for this we will use excel open command. I'll copy the path. Once I open the file, then we have one command, excel to pdf. I'll select entire excel file. I select pdf file name. I'll give input.pdf. Storage, I'll give the same location. Overwrite existing file and give the session name as default only. And once I have done this, I'll close my excel file. So if I'll run this code, so the output pdf file is generated. But if you can see this, we we are getting the data but in wrong format, like we are not getting proper data. So one second, I'll show you. So like this is the data 8246175498 Paleti Kiran Kumar, and in pdf file it's giving me same like Paleti Kiran, and it's not giving Kumar full name. I'm not getting phone number full, like entire digit, and it's so this is the problem. So so how we can solve this? So for this, I'll use macro to auto fit the Excel columns, and then I'll convert that Excel into PDF file. So this is the problem requirement and we'll see how we can solve this. So again, I'll bring the column like this, because when we are writing our data in excel file, sometimes we get get our data in this format only. So we know how to auto fit the columns in excel file. So for this, I have written this code. This is the code. First I'll run my code. I'll run the macro using automation anywhere, then we'll see. So for this, first I'll open my excel file. mm, Open my macro file. So I'll give the path here. I'll give the session name as macro. Once I open my macro file, then I'll use run macro command from Excel Advanced package, and my macro name is, so we can find our macro name, like we can click here and go here, just remove this parameter, save it. If you come here and click on macro, this is my macro name. I'll copy this, I'll paste it here, and I have to pass the argument of the Excel file that we want, like that we want to autofill the columns of that Excel file. So here actually I'll do this from a string package. I'll drag and drop assign command, and I have to auto fit this Excel file columns. So I'll assign this into a variable as file path, and here also I'll pass color as file. And when I have to run, I have to give the argument. So I'll again change this file path edge. So this is the code, and in the argument I'll pass my Excel file path as file path, and I'll give the session name as same macro. And once auto fit the column, then I'll close my macro file. So for this I'll drag and drop, I'll copy paste the same close command, and here I'll give the macro as session name. So you'll see the output now, and here I selected overwrite the existing file in PDF. So I'll run my code now. It will open the xlsm file, that is macro file, and okay, we are getting some error, unable to run the macro, continue at line number 3 as file path. We'll see what's error we are getting. Okay, we have to give this input file only, like I have given a wrong file. I'm giving this here another variable, and I'm passing the another variable, so I have to give the same input file here only also. I'll save my code and I'll run once again. So you can see it got macro run, and it auto fit the Excel file columns. We'll see the output now. So yes, now we are getting the data in correct format. Like name is correct. We are getting full name, and we are getting phone number also, and we are getting location also, which branch. So you can see here. Now we are getting the correct, and we'll see the Excel also. It's auto fit the columns or not. So you can see it auto fit the column. So we'll go through my macro code. Like you can click on developer and click on visual basic and click on this workbook, and you can type this code. So this is my function name auto fit column, and I'm passing argument here. Like w- I'm get here, I'll pass the path that is generated from our process that we want to convert into PDF. So I'll pass here my Excel file path through automation anywhere, and uh, we can create variable in VBA using dim keyword. So I created dim SHT as worksheet and dim workbook WB as workbook. Application dot display alerts false. If any alerts come, it will not show in while running the code, and it's taking it will workbook.open is used to open the input file, that is my uh, input.xlsx. So it will first open the my Excel file, and it will I have to perform the operation on sheet 1. So I given this code wb.worksheets sheet 1 dot activate, and it will loop through each sheet, and it will auto fit like sheet for each loop I have run here, and it will auto fit entire column dot auto fit, and it will like for each, and this is the syntax actually in VBA, for each and next sheet. And once I have performed the operation, when it's auto fit the column, then I'll close the Excel and save the changes. So this is the code for auto fit column Excel. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.